if you want to take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, what you can do is you can use the power button and volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, then you will capture the screenshot. Of course, you can still edit it, but also in addition to that, if you want to, for example, use a gesture, then you can palm swipe from one side to the other of the screen. So for example, I can swipe from left to right like this, or from right to left. So let's do something like this. One more time. There we go. As you can see, now we can also capture the screenshot. And this option, this gesture, can be actually enabled and disabled. So we can go to settings, go to advanced features, choose motions and gestures, and then over here at the bottom we have palm swipe to capture. So if you don't like the gesture, you can disable it. And the third method is by using the quick settings button. So if you swipe on the right side of the phone from the top towards the middle like this, and then if you reveal these buttons, you might be able to find the take screenshot option, but if it's not there, then we can press this pen icon in the top right corner, press edit, and then in available buttons you should be able to find it. And then you can tap on the option in order to add it to the list, press down in the top right corner twice, and now if you press this button in quick settings, you should be able to also capture the screenshot. While editing, so if you decide to edit the screen, we can make the partial screenshot by simply cropping the area that we don't want to include. So for example, if I want only this row to be captured, then I can leave it like this, because we have additional tools here. Press this arrow in order to save it, and then I have only this partial screenshot. And also, if you, for example, have an app that is scrollable, on which you can scroll, or a website, then in that case you can capture a long screenshot or scrolling screenshot. So use one of the options to capture the full screenshot. And then over here at the bottom we have this arrow on the left side that we can use in order to keep scrolling, and as you can see, we can extend the screenshot like this. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!